What's the most important tool in every kitchen? Most would agree it's a good quality knife. But finding that one perfect knife isn't easy. Stores are lined with hundreds of options, and good quality is seldom affordable. As a team of friends, cooks, and designers who all love great food and good products, we strive to redefine kitchen knives using the best materials, thoughtful design, at an honest price. Having learned from professional chefs and ordinary home cooks, we have created an essential set of the 4 most useful knives. With a minimalistic design, mixing Asian and Western styles, these knives are suitable for every kitchen. The shape of the handle is kept simple and sits comfortably in your hand, giving you more control over what you're doing. Also, size and weight have been considered carefully. They are comfortable and perfectly balanced for both him and her. Our knives are precision machined from high-quality Japanese steel with a reduced blade angle of just 15 degrees. This leads to a dramatically sharper edge that stays sharp over time. On the outside, the knives are protected with a ceramic non-stick coating, which inhibits dirt and bacteria from building up. Sticky food instantly slides off the blade and makes them amazingly easy to clean, while remaining completely dishwasher safe. Now, after months of preparation, we are ready and need your help. By supporting our campaign, you will enable us to complete the first production run, and we will deliver these amazing knives directly from the factory to your hands. We hope you join us on this journey and back us now.